Deluxe Eyebrow Kit L-Body Toolz BT3566. High-quality stainless steel. Professional eyebrow kit. Attractive case to store all your tools. Apply fake eyelashes. Kit contains everything you need for beautiful-looking brows. Great for applying fake eyelashes. Kit contains fine pointed tweezer for applying eyelashes, pointed tweezer for close work, slanted tweezer, brow scissor and brow brush comb. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent value for the money. 3 good tweezers and small scissors for miscellaneous hair trimming, extraction and splinter removal. Now I need a decent magnifying glass for when I get one of those tiny metal splinters. I just threw away the little brush thing, but maybe the ladies out there will want that.